The art and science of sound. Sound is more than just noise. It's a powerful medium that shapes our experiences. It can evoke emotions, convey information, and transport us to other realms, creating unforgettable moments. In Mastering Sound Systems, Bob McCarthy invites us into the intricate world of sound system design and optimization, where art meets science in perfect harmony. This book serves as a comprehensive guide for anyone interested in understanding the complexities of sound and its behavior, particularly in the context of designed spaces and environments. Imagine attending a concert where the music is muddled, the vocals are lost in a sea of reverberation, and the bass overwhelms the other instruments, making the experience less enjoyable. This unfortunate scenario highlights the crucial role of a well-designed and optimized sound system in delivering a clear and balanced audio experience. McCarthy emphasizes that achieving high-quality sound reinforcement requires a deep understanding of both the technical aspects of audio engineering and the unique acoustic properties of the venue. Throughout the book, McCarthy emphasizes the importance of a holistic approach to sound system design, considering every detail. He argues that simply installing powerful speakers is insufficient to guarantee an optimal listening experience. It requires careful planning and execution. Factors such as speaker placement, room acoustics, and audience distribution all play critical roles in shaping the final sound that reaches our ears, ensuring clarity and balance. By delving into these interconnected elements, McCarthy provides readers with the knowledge to create sound systems that are both technically sound and aesthetically pleasing, enhancing the overall auditory experience. The journey of mastering sound systems is not just about technology, it's about understanding the art of sound itself. McCarthy's insights help bridge the gap between the technical and the artistic, making sound system design an immersive and rewarding endeavor. Ultimately, the goal is to create an auditory experience that resonates with the audience, leaving a lasting impression. Mastering Sound Systems is an essential read for anyone passionate about the art and science of sound, offering a wealth of knowledge and practical advice. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a curious beginner, this book will guide you through the fascinating world of sound system design and optimization. Join Bob McCarthy on this journey and discover the true potential of sound. Sounds dance with space, a symphony of reflections. Experience the magic of acoustics. Stay tuned for more.